Welcome. In this video, we'll be showing you how to pin a message on Telegram. Pinning messages is a great way to highlight important information in any chat or group, keeping it at the top so everyone can see it. Let's go through the steps to pin a message on Telegram. Step 1. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat or group where you want to pin a message. Step 3. Find the message that you'd like to pin. Tap on that message to select it. Step 4. A menu will appear. Tap on the pin option. Step 5. To confirm, tap on Pin again when the prompt appears. And that's it. The message you selected will now be pinned at the top of the chat for everyone to see. It's that easy to keep important messages front and center, especially in busy group chats. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.